Narkanda, the hidden gem of Himachal Pradesh. The state of Himachal Pradesh has a lot to offer in terms of naturally picturesque and beautiful hill stations, one of which is Narkanda. Hey guys, I'm Sonali Sinha and welcome back to my channel. In today's vlog, I'm taking you through this enchanting journey where I will explore this gorgeous little town called Narkanda. Narkanda is situated about 60 kilometers away from Shimla and surrounded by the Himalayan range. So if you're already in Shimla, it is quite easy to reach this place by car. Right now I am in this beautiful village in the southern Himachal Pradesh called Thanedar. This is 18 kilometers away from Narkanda and I have decided to stay here to be closer to nature. Thanedar is famous for its apple orchards and mind-blowing views of the Himalayas. And there I have reached my hotel, the Banjara Orchard Retreat. This is more like a camp arrangement rather than a hotel, I would say, and I was clearly quite apprehensive. But I can easily say that my stay here was amongst one of the best ever, a most memorable experience. This hotel is surrounded by greenery, flowers everywhere, and so many different kinds of flowers I don't think I have ever seen in my entire life. The rooms are cozy, definitely not like a hotel room, but quite comfortable. Food was excellent, and it was the best part of this stay. The staff is very hospitable and offer to always help however they can. They have quite a few rooms, so if you are planning on booking, you have to book prior. Also, they are always almost full, so make sure to plan beforehand. Two nights are more than enough to explore both Narkanda and Thanedar unless you are planning to stay longer. This is the beautiful evening view from the hotel. An evening sky so stunning I have witnessed for the first time. I am spellbound and speechless. So today I have decided to just stay back and relax at this beautiful property. This place is also perfect for stargazing. The night sky is filled with stars. It's almost unreal for someone staying in the city to witness. They also arrange a bonfire in the outside area, which is everything I needed at this time because evenings here can get really chilly. It's the next day morning and I'm headed to explore all the tourist spots in Narkanda. Right now I am going to see the Hatu Mata Mandir along with the Hatu Peak. The roads to Hatu Peak are very interesting but quite narrow and tense. So make sure you hire a car with an experienced driver, preferably a local who is well versed with the roads. OMG, guys, so I've just spotted this fantastic location and I'm stopping over. The Himalayas are so visible from here. Let's go!
So guys, I'm on my way to Hatu Peak and रास्ते में हमें ये spot दिखा है. We have stopped over here and this place is unreal. This is just heaven, guys. Heaven, okay? So I have reached the Hatu Peak and this which you can see here is the Hatu Mandir. तो मंदिर के दर्शन भी करेंगे and we'll go and see and look around the place. तो हाटू माता के दर्शन भी हो गए हैं और प्रसाद भी मिल गया है. तो अब हम जाएंगे टू सी द व्यूज, द हिमालयन रेंज. द व्यूज जस्ट ऑसम. this is the Hatu Peak area. As you can see behind me, the board, it says Hatu Peak height. We are at 3400 meters high right now. Like this place right now is 11,000 feet high, guys. Oh my god. Like लग नहीं रहा देख के, but बहुत ऊंचा है. But हिमालयन रेंज देखने का एक्साइटमेंट इतना ज़्यादा है कि कुछ भी महसूस नहीं हो रहा. एंड एज यू कैन सी, ओ माई गॉड, ऐसा लग रहा है बस सामने दिख रहे हैं पहाड़. एंड इट्स जस्ट सो गॉर्जियस. आई हैव नेवर एवर इन माई लाइफ सीन द माउंटेन रेंज सो क्लोजली एंड it's looking so beautiful. If you want to witness the beauty of the mountain range from so close by, you have to come to this place. I'm just sitting right now here and just very relaxed and just taking it all in. So मेरा मन तो नहीं कर रहा है यहाँ से जाने का, but we have to go explore more places out here in Thanedar. So I'm saying bye bye to this awesome, beautiful place. It's just breathtaking. Do visit once. I'm sure you're just gonna fall in love with this place.
So I have travelled back from Hatu Peak all the way down और यहाँ पे अभी मैं रुकी हूँ कुछ खाने के लिए because I'm really hungry. हाटू एरिया में ऐसा कुछ खाने पीने के लिए नहीं मिलता है. सो नीचे आके जो रास्ता हाटू पीक जाता है उस इंटर जंक्शन पे यहाँ 2 या 3 फूड ट्रक्स खड़े रहते हैं हमेशा. एंड आई एम गोइंग टू दिस दाद द ढाबा. एज यू कैन सी यहाँ के जो अंकल हैं जिनका फोटो ट्रक पे यू कैन सी ही ओनली मेक्स द फूड. इतने हाइट पे जाके मेरे कान ऑलरेडी पूरे बंद हो चुके हैं. सो आई हैव ऑर्डर्ड 1 मसाला चाय एंड 1 वेजिटेबल मैगी फॉर माई सेल्फ. मतलब पहाड़ों में आके चाय और मैगी का जो कॉम्बिनेशन है ना, यू जस्ट कैन नॉट मिस दैट. और हिल स्टेशन में मैगी ऐसा लगता है जैसे कोई नई डिश है ऑल टुगेदर. बट अंकल मेड इट सो डिलिशियस, इट वॉज सो गुड. आई कैन जस्ट गो बैक फॉर द मैगी एंड मसाला चाय टू बी ऑनेस्ट.
So guys, right now I am at this Tani Jubar Lake, which is a beautiful lake. हाटू पीक से नीचे आए हैं हम लोग गाड़ी में और यहाँ पे आके इस लेक को देख के it's beautiful this lake. इसका सबसे अच्छा जो नज़ारा है वो ये कि जितने भी पेड़ यहाँ पे दिख रहे हैं, these trees, you can see the reflection of these trees in the lake and it looks so beautiful. So the ideal time to come here is from the morning till the noon. जब तक सूरज है तब तक यहाँ पे आप आके इसका ब्यूटीफुल सा नज़ारा ले सकते हो लेक का. इट लुक्स एब्सोल्युटली अमेजिंग एंड ओवरऑल द वाइब ऑफ दिस प्लेस इज जस्ट सो काम एंड सो पीसफुल. दिस प्लेस इज मैजिकल. Here where I'm standing, this place, from here starts the forest trail which takes us directly to Thanedar. So जो ज़्यादा adventurous लोग हैं, you can always take this trail and follow this route and reach Thanedar. But I'm not going to do that right now because I'm really tired. I'm sitting in my car and going back to Thanedar.
So this brings me to the end of my travel vlog and the end of this amazing Himachal travel series. I had a wonderful time in the Himachal and I definitely plan to come back soon to visit and explore more places here. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you with another video. Until then, stay super happy and healthy guys. Bye bye.